Hey guys, this is question MM144 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. We've got this equation 10 of 3x on 2 equals 1. We need to solve this equation for x, where x is between negative pi on 3 and pi. Sweet. So as always guys, first thing is to work out our base angle of 3x on 2, or whatever's inside the brackets. So by doing that, or to do that, we do the inverse tan of 1, which is equal to 3x on 2, which means 3x on 2 is equal to pi on 4. So guys, the inverse tan of 1 is pi on 4. As always, if you're not familiar with that, please go over and revise your unit circle stuff. So our base angle is pi on 4, okay? And our angle is 3x on 2. So if x is between negative pi on 3 and pi, that means that 3x on 2 is between negative pi on 2 to 3 pi on 2. So all I've done here is just multiply both of these lower and upper bound of the domain by 3 on 2, and that gives us our new domain for 3x over 2. So this means that according to our unit circle, tan of 1 is positive, which means we're looking for answers in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3 because of our cast little reminder, where tan is positive in quadrant 1 and 3. So our domain for 3x on 2 is negative pi on 2. So negative pi on 2 is here, all the way around to 3 pi on 2, which is back at the same spot. So we've got one revolution here, which means that we're looking for our answers in these two quadrants. So what we get is 3x on 2 is equal to our base angle, so pi on 4, and pi plus pi on 4, which means we have 5 pi over 4. Cool. And that's it, because we've only got these two answers because we've only got one revolution, which means that our x value, so 3x multiplying both sides by 2 is pi on 2 to 5 pi on 2, and then divide both sides by 3, we get pi on 6 and 5 pi on 6. These are our two answers, guys. So that's our final answer. Our first mark comes by recognizing that our base angle is pi on 4, so this bit here. Our second mark comes when we recognize that 3x on 2 is equal to these things here, and our third mark comes when we actually get our values for x. If you have any questions, as always, guys, hit me up in the comments section below. But apart from that, guys, have an awesome day.